Hola, ¿cómo estás? Today we'll be taking up pronunciation. Pronunciation of any word is very important in any language. It helps the other person understand what the speaker is trying to say. In the document you'll be reading now, I have covered all the words that have been used in our previous videos. We'll be learning how to pronounce those words. So let's start with the pronunciation of the exceptional words. First word is hola. It is H-O-L-A, wherein it is pronounced as Ola. O-L-A. The next word, which you may not call as an exceptional word, but yet you need to understand how do we need to pronounce it. It is Buenos Dias. It is Buenos Dias. Next is Te. It is not Ti, it is Te. The next word is Llamas. It is llamas. The next word is que. It is not que, but it is que. The next word, it is llamo. It is llamo. The next one is como. C sounds pronounced. C makes a sound of k in Spanish, so it is como. Next word is bien. The next is fatal. After that it is hasta. It is not hasta, it is hasta. The next word is mañana. It's near. The curvy line gives the sound of near. Mañana. The next word is suidate. C is now sir over here. Suidate. Next is igualmente. It is igualmente. These are some of the words that we have used in our previous videos. I will be coming up with the pronunciation videos frequently. Once we have covered, say, like 2 to 3 topics, I will be coming up with the pronunciation of those in a separate altogether session. I hope this pronunciation was helpful for all of you. If you like my video, please hit the like button below or subscribe to my channel. Adios.